If you've ever tried to import an FLV file into Premiere Pro because say you have an FLV file for whatever reason, then you'll probably get an import failure, file not supported message on whatever program you're using. This is because FLV is not a super widely supported file format, and there's a way to get around this by converting the file. You're going to need to go to the link in the description to the obsproject.com, which will take you to a page something like this if you don't already have OBS Studio installed. And once you're here, you can go to download and download for your selected operating system. I'll have a video in the description on how to specifically download for Windows. Once you have OBS downloaded, you should start OBS and you should get a screen something like this. Once you start it, make sure that you go to settings and set your output to MP4, or your files will just be converted back into the FLV format. Click apply if it's not already selected and click OK. After that, you're going to come up here to Remux recording, drag your file in from your desktop or wherever it is, and click Remux. This will create the file in an MP4 format, and you should be able to open it up and run it. This is just some Siege gameplay that I recorded a while ago. It's really not the best recording, but it shows that it did in fact, as you can see, convert to MP4. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, remember to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips, I guess, since that's what I'm doing at this point.